Hello, it's Jason Payne for Coldwell Banker, Dean Harper Realtors. Wow, do I have something special and very unique for you today. Today we are in San Marcos, Texas. We're in the historical district of it because of a house that was built in 1909. Yes, 1909. That's on the market right now, and I can't wait to show it off. There's so many cool features about it, and the location of this house is drop dead gorgeous. All right, let's go check this house out. All right, this house actually has 3,780 square feet. This is not my listing. Kristen Wingard from our San Marcos office, she's actually the listing agent, but of course I'm gonna help another agent out and video this house to hopefully I can find a buyer, because I can represent any buyer. And if you are a buying agent, they are offering a 3% commission on this. But this is such a cool spot on it. If you're familiar with San Marcos, you do have Texas State University, which isn't far from here, and we are literally just like 3 blocks away from the historical downtown square that way. And if you stay toward the end, I'm gonna do a little bonus features by going down to the square and kind of showing that off as well. But there's just so much history in this neighborhood. This house has had some upgrades done to it, and we'll be talking about that a little bit later in the video. But just to love the size of these oak trees, and if you're looking for something with a little charm in it, I mean, it's gonna be hard to see, but looking through the trees there, that's a super cool house. And there's lots of cool houses on this neighborhood. All right, let's focus on this house. That carport you see there is part of this house. I believe this is on like 3/4 of an acre. This is a pretty good size lot as well. I'll have to verify that. Oh, it's just over half an acre, so 0.56 acres. We'll get it eventually. So just over half an acre. Love the decking on this. A couple years back, they had taken all the wood off the front outside of the house, had it custom milled and put insulation up on it, and then put real similar wood to match the house. So yeah, this is all wood, none of that siding on there. This is a historical house. So here's kind of the information on it. And it's like, if you want to live in a historical house, here you go. All right, let's head on inside and check out the rest of this house. All right, before we go in, of course, I'm going to hit you up to hit that like button, subscribe to my channel, and all that other good stuff. All right, coming in, we do have a foyer, and now the flooring is all the original wood from 1909, so that's super cool. We got your little living room set up. Plenty of lights in here from the windows. Some real cute shutters set up. But this is really neat. Fireplaces used to be coal burning, but they did convert them to natural gas. So you can just turn the little knob there and get that lit up really nicely. So I do like this a lot. This is really cool. It's a very unique type of buyer would be interested in this house. And speaking of price, they're asking $925 for this house as of early March 2025. So checking out the would be the formal dining room. Lots and lots of fireplaces in here. Really cool stuff in this house. And if you were looking to get something like this and decorate it, man, we got so many antique shops around here. You have no problem finding the appropriate era. You do have a powder room tucked underneath the stairs. Really nicely done. They've done a lot of work kind of renovating this, just kind of fixing it up a little bit. This is the original staircase coming down here. And I learned something from the listing agent that I did not know, that if you're building a house and the stairs are facing away from the front of the door, that's kind of telling your guest, hey, we want you to stay downstairs, not upstairs, because all the bedrooms are upstairs. So that's something, a little tidbit I didn't know. I love learning new things. All right, coming in here, we do have all Spanish tiles that are from Mexico. You got your little laundry room set up here. Not the fanciest laundry room like we see in a lot of the new modern houses, but it does function quite well. This is, I believe, is that the only refrigerator? No, that's a backup refrigerator spot right there. I didn't think that was the only one. So you got a spot for 2 refrigerators. Nice little butler's section here so you can set up some stuff. Some original lights in here as well. So nice having a little sink there. Let's see, I believe this is another pantry. Some really cool woodwork in here also. And yes, they did kind of redo a lot of this kitchen area and all the stuff that they've upgraded in here. They sent me a list of all the upgrades that were done. I'm gonna have them all on the end of the slides because I can't remember everything. So if you're interested in there, make sure you read through all the stuff they did. This is an electric cooktop, but because this is a pier and beam house, if you wanted to take that gas and run it through there, you definitely could. Got some pictures here of what this house looks like furnished, kind of showcasing that off. So you can see that. And there's gonna be more pictures on the MLS. And of course, I'm gonna have the address posted on one of these slides as well. But let me show off some more of the pictures. Really cool house. And I just love so much about the San Marcos area. I come up here to go kayaking sometime. This is what this place looks like in the springtime. So much greenery around. But yeah, let's check out the main living space here as well. This is so cool. Like I love the Spanish terracotta style tiles in here. Big fireplace. More shelving. Let's see what's back here. Yeah, these older houses are definitely a little more chopped up than the wide open what houses we see in the modern stuff. Okay, in this room, this used to be another fireplace that went all the way up. They took that out and kind of made this little storage space, put a TV in here. But yeah, there's some historical newspaper articles on this house. This is the John A. Montgomery house, not John Michael Montgomery. But yeah, it's been listed on a couple of tours and stuff. So some cool history of this house. A listing agent said George Strait even came by and hung out in this house back in the early 80s. So that's kind of cool too. If y'all didn't know, George Strait did go to Texas State High School. I mean, not high school, university. Back time it was called Southwest Texas. But yeah, he went to the school. He got to start at Cheatham Street, which is just down the road here as well. So you can't beat having a place where you can go to a dance hall place, the same place George Strait got his start off. This will be your library. Lots and lots of little storage spaces in here. And of course, we're gonna have another fireplace. I have a library with no fireplace. So lots and lots of neat things. That takes us back to the front of the house. All right, before we go upstairs, I definitely want to go outside because there's a lot. This is just over half an acre. Let's head out here through your old screen door. You do have a little carport and more storage in there. Such a cool little outdoor space. Good God, the weather this time of year in Texas is just phenomenal. We're like at 75 degrees and beautiful outside. Speaking of beautiful, check out this oak tree right out back. That is beautiful. Got your little garden space, because if you're gonna have a place like this, you wanna entertain, and entertaining under this oak tree is really super cool. Nice grass, got a sprinkler system even in there. Cool brick stone house next to you there. Really nicely done landscaping. They put a lot of effort in this landscaping. Oh, and this looks like it's an exterior fence, but this is not the end of the property. This whole, let me step over some of this. This whole space back here is also part of the property. So that chain link fence back there is actually the edge of the property. I guess the neighbors had asked if they could use this as a dog run a couple years ago, but the seller of this house actually owns this as well. But it's so cool. It's got a metal roof on it. All right, let's make our way back. Oh, we haven't checked out this spot in here yet. So you definitely have space for your outdoor kitchen. Now, I haven't checked in here yet, so I don't know what the condition is going to be. All right, this is just another little storage room. And it looks like it could have been a house for a dryer or something. But we got to check out the carport as well. There we go. All right, nice little carport. Fit 2 cars in here easily, and another little storage spot right there. All right, let's head back on inside. All right, we're now back inside. We're gonna head on upstairs to check that out because yes, that's where the master bedroom is, including all the other bedrooms. But yeah, this is so cool how the history of these stairs, like they've been here since 1909. That is super cool. Now it is carpeted up here, but lots and lots of windows. Got this little space, plenty of little storage things. This is one of the bedrooms. Once again, got natural light coming through there and coming into this bathroom. Yeah, there's not carpet in the bathroom, just carpet right here by the sink. Coming in the bathroom, they did redo this bathroom. So it's a really nice walk-in shower. I love the fact they took the tile work all the way up to the top. Very nicely done. Let me turn around here. All right, now this other bedroom, they're gonna have their own sink just like that other bedroom did. Let's see what's in here. Some closet space. And here's this other bedroom. Wow, this is a really good sized bedroom too. Not these little dinky bedrooms you see in modern houses. But super cool. Looks like I got a little more storage back behind here. Yep, there you go. All right, let's head into the owner's suite, primary, master bedroom, whatever we're calling it nowadays. Really nice space in here as well. Plenty of stuff to hook up your TVs, your closet space. Got your cowboy boot rack, two hanging racks on this side, and another side for long dresses, plus more shelving up top. Coming into the bathroom up here, this one's also been redone in modern times. So you've got your little makeup section, your little war paint area, your sink, nice tub setup, toilet space with lots of natural light above you there because you always need that. And then your little walk-in shower. Really cool. A little small baby stool there with some built-ins. And more closet space on this side as well. One of the things I do like about this, because yeah, we're in Texas, we like our weapons. So you got a little space back here to be putting your rifles if you wanted to. And another one going right here, and it goes up so you can put your long guns there as well. And extra storage space in here. More hang-ups, you're not gonna run out of space for like that. And some built-in stuff for your socks and underwear. Super cool. I do like this place a lot. But it's gonna be a unique buyer. That's why I wanted to do a video for fellow agents, hoping to reach out to enough people that are looking for an historical house, because it's a small number of people that are looking for something like this. So of course I'm gonna help her out. All right, let's head back down these super cool stairs. All right, don't click off just yet, because remember I mentioned earlier in this video that I'm gonna get in my truck and head like just 3 blocks away, walking distance, to the historical square of San Marcos, Texas, show off the courthouse and how cool this area is and how much I think someone might like living in this area. All right, let's go get in the truck. All right, we are now just, I believe 3 blocks from where that house is at. Wanted to show, hopefully the wind isn't too bad. Got some of the college campuses, little house there, Gummy's Pizza. And you actually have an H-E-B grocery store right here as well. So you can literally walk to the grocery store. That's very convenient. Another little cool outdoor eating space there. Probably should put this blind up so you can see a little better. Well, we're coming into the historical downtown San Marcos, Texas. I wish I was on my motorcycle. That would make this so much better, but I decided I've been on the bike enough recently. All right, let's go around this direction. Some really cool places to eat, bars to drink at, and I'll try to find a better spot of the giant courthouse. I'm driving around the other side. But this is a really cool square. Texas State is just down the road from us here. I cannot turn that way, so yeah. All right, I decided it's like, screw it. I'm just gonna park and walk because there's a couple one-way streets here, and I think you can probably get a better view going this route. All right, here, like I said, I love come up here. I live in like the New Braunfels area, but this square is such a cool place to just go hang out at. You'll see people shopping and stuff all the time. There's the courthouse. Every old western town in Texas like this has their courthouse, and that is just a super cool thing to do. And like I said, if you're interested in that property, we're only like a 10-minute walk from the house to here. So it's an easy peasy walk coming to down here. So if you want to come have your coffee, go to a little pub and just walk home, you definitely could do that. So yeah, definitely a really cool little square to come and hang out at, eat some dinner, go to a pub, some more entertainment. I think they got a little movie theater here. Might be an old movie theater that they're using for something else now. That happens all the time. But yeah, super cool place. Let's head on back. All right, that's gonna do it for the tour of this beautiful home in the historical section of San Marcos, Texas. I was just talking to a lady that walked by, and it's like, yeah, this is the most beautiful street in San Marcos. So yeah, if you want an opportunity to live in this gorgeous neighborhood, convenient to a lot of things, feel free to reach out to me. My contact information will be on the final slide. If you haven't done so already, hit that like button, subscribe to my channel. But most importantly, if you know somebody wanting to live in a very unique community like this, feel free to share this video with them. I'll be happy to help them relocate to here. All right, that's gonna do it for today, and I'll talk to you soon. All right, take care now. Bye.